So bottom line, the DOJ's message is clear. Magtapat na kayo bago kayo tuluyang matangay ng agos ng kaso.
Boom.
So partner, what are your thoughts on this?
Ito na nga, no, na ang tagal, I mean, yeah, the Discayas and some of the involved have been telling all these revelations even before, no, to start pa lang nung Blue Ribbon Committee, hearing about the flood control anomalies and sa funding. Pero, yeah, mga may tinuro silang pangalan, pero walang documents, walang masyadong specific na transactions, paano nangyari to, paano nangyari yung ganyan, di ba? As in, sabi lang na ganito, sabi lang ganyan, kasama ko sa ganito, kasama ko sa ganyan, although mga may lumulutang na pictures, na, pero ang mahalaga dito yung paper trail. Pero baka, wala nga talagang paper trail kasi de-deliver nila yung pera.
Yun nga eh.
Pero ayun, no, parang, to be honest, kulang pa nga, no, yung nire-reveal ng mga Discayas, aside from the affidavit, they presented nung start ng Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. And you know what, tama lang, no? I think it's in the best interest of the public for the DOJ to be impatient when it comes to getting the necessary pieces of evidence and the necessary statements they need, no, to prosecute someone and to file charges towards those people involved.
Yes.
And this has been dragging for too long at wala pang nakakasuhan.
Oo nga eh.